Weeds are the bane of every gardener's existence. They invade the garden throughout the year, stealing precious water and nutrients from your plant, but not only that, they spoil the look of your paths, lawns and beds. The truth is, weeds are just a plant growing in an undesirable location. Some are highly invasive, like flickweed and oxalis, while others are completely harmless. The problem with some weeds is they can produce large quantities of seed, causing them to spread, often faster than you can pull them up. Unfortunately, there's no miracle cure to get rid of weeds for good, but tools like this HoseLink stand-up weed puller certainly make life easier. The stand-up weed puller is designed to help you remove even the toughest of weeds, whilst protecting your back. Even better, you don't have to use toxic chemicals to get rid of them. Thanks to the long length and ergonomic design, there's no need to bend or kneel down to pull out pesky weeds. Just push your claws into the ground, lever it back towards you, then eject. It's that easy. Many weeding tools tear weeds apart from their roots, rather than cleanly removing the whole plant. This promotes regrowth. It only takes the tiniest bit of root to be left in the ground, and you'll have your weeds popping right back up again. The stainless steel claws on the stand-up weed puller are designed to reach deep into the soil, grabbing the weed right from the roots from all directions, removing the entire plant from the ground in one swift movement, preventing it from growing back. This sometimes means you'll see excess soil come up with the plant, but that's perfectly normal. It just means you've pulled up a weed with a bigger root. The built-in injection system helps to release the weed after it has been removed from the soil, keeping you upright at all times to prevent any aches and pains from this tedious garden job. You can use your foot or hand to eject the weeds, whichever you find easiest. To keep your stand-up weed puller in action for years to come, make sure you look after it by cleaning out any excess dirt and wiping the claws when you're finished using it. Weighing just 1 kilo, the weed puller can easily be stored away and transported all over the garden as and when you need it. And hey, with this, who knows, you may even enjoy weeding after all.